learn how to easily sharpen your lawnmower blade? Stick around. So the easiest way I found to sharpen your lawnmower blade is to use an angle grinder with a flat disc. So there's two reasons why you want to sharpen your lawnmower blade. The first one is you want your lawn to look nice. If your lawnmower blade is dull, it's going to tear the grass and it's going to leave a brown haze cast across the lawn. The second reason is that you want your lawn to stay healthy. If a dull blade does rip up the top of the grass, not cutting on a smooth line, you open the grass up to more fungal diseases. And you don't want that. And now that the blade is sharp, you just need to make sure that it's balanced. Hanging it on a nail just like this will do the trick, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.